Jamf Pro is an incredibly powerful and flexible management tool for Apple devices, allowing you to group, configure, update, and report on every device you enroll. Gone are the days of walking to a computer to see what's going on in your organization. When we know how to use Jamf Pro, we can answer most any question about our computers and mobile devices right from our Jamf Pro server. My name is Andy. Let's take a tour of the Jamf Pro interface, how to navigate the different areas within Jamf Pro, and how to customize it to our liking. Let's begin by navigating to our Jamf Pro URL. In my case, it's https://trainingcatalog.jamfcloud.com. If your server is hosted in Jamf Cloud, your URL will look similar, but have a different prefix than Training Catalog. If you're hosting your server on-premise, check with your administrator for the URL. Enter your username and password to log in. After logging in, you'll see the Jamf Pro dashboard. Yours may look different because I've already customized my dashboard with things I care about, like smart groups, policy statuses, configuration profiles, and patch management. From here, you can easily see a count of all enrolled computers and devices in your server. Most of these dashboard objects can be clicked to interact with the data. Your dashboard may also display common server setup tasks to complete, such as configuring additional integrations. We can also view the current version number of Jamf Pro in the top right corner. Along the left side of the interface is the sidebar, which is great for navigating your Jamf Pro server. The sidebar contains icons that take us to management for computers, devices, and users, an icon for server settings, as well as an icon at the top that takes us right back to the dashboard. To begin, click Computers in the sidebar. Here we can view enrolled computers, customize configuration items, create and view computer groups, and manage enrollment workflows. While in the Computers section, we can search for and view the inventory records for computers by clicking Search Inventory. We can also create specialized advanced searches using detailed search criteria and logic to identify multiple computers matching search criteria. Advanced searches can be saved and then accessed later from the Advanced Computer Searches list. Further computer management can be performed in the Computers section of the sidebar. Highlights include creating policies and configuration profiles, deploying Mac apps and software updates, and creating computer groups. Many of these management tasks are covered in additional content, so be sure to check out the resources for further information. Click Devices in the sidebar. Just like with the Computers section, the Devices section allows us to search, manage, and group mobile devices, as well as view individual device records. Any iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, or visionOS devices that are enrolled in Jamf Pro can be found in this section. The Users section is unique in that it's primarily for user-based volume distribution of app and book licenses. If you're interested in user management, check out the resources for more information. Finally, beneath the Computers, Devices, and Users sections is Settings. Clicking the Settings icon takes us to a page with many configuration items for how this Jamf Pro server functions. There are several categories across the top which can be used to filter the available items, as well as a search field to find exactly what we're looking for. For example, click Global to filter the view to settings for critical pieces of Jamf Pro like the push certificate and automated device enrollment. Next, let's take a look at the top right corner of the Jamf Pro interface. Clicking the Notifications icon displays available alerts from your Jamf Pro server, including things like push certificate expiration or excess device count. When a notification is available, we'll see a number badge above this icon. Next to the notification icon, click the Account Settings icon. Here you can change your password, configure your notification settings and account preferences, and log out of Jamf Pro. Let's head back to the dashboard now, so click the Dashboard icon in the sidebar. One final important element of the Jamf Pro interface is the Resource Center in the bottom right corner. Clicking the Resource Center icon opens a menu with all sorts of useful information. We can see announcements including new Jamf Pro releases, features, and fixes. We can access the Jamf Learning Hub, which is chock full of documentation, technical articles, videos, and more. We can visit the Jamf Nation community, the largest online community for Apple administrators. And if we encounter issues or need help, we can visit the support portal. That concludes our tour of the Jamf Pro interface. Jamf Pro is a powerful and flexible device management solution. For more information on any of the topics covered in this video, take a look at the resources. We encourage you to explore your Jamf Pro server to get familiar with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.